Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolás Riascos. I'm going to talk about my future plans. Let's start. I'm going to travel to Bogota. I'm going to buy a new chair. I will buy a new shoes. I am going to read two new books. I will go home early. I'm going to buy a new computer. I'm going to swim with the family. I am going to visit my cousin who is in the army. I will walk the street of Bogota. I am going to exercise every other day. I'll go shopping downtown. I am going to visit my girlfriend. I will visit the most beautiful place in Bogota. I am going to eat pizza with my family. I am going to practice the English language a lot. Thank you, teacher, very much.